welcome back to the CX Speed Updates channel here with me, Roberto Michael Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Austin, Hui. And today we will be talking about the Cathay Cargo Boeing 747-867 FER that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo B-LJK Kilo. She's special because she is the last fighter and 747-8F the new livery, and the second to last aircraft of the new livery, and the second 747-8F to receive bigger Cathay Cargo titles. So this aircraft took off at the middle runway at runway 225 center at 4:45 a.m. as you can see it here, and landed at runway 907 at Xiamen Airport at 5:40 in the morning local time. This aircraft took her flight number at 6:39:40 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 55 minutes, causeway of 2 kiloknots, and a chop 171 degrees as you can see it here. So hopefully she doesn't stay on Xiamen, but she is my love and crush. And I remember I got mad because when she was doing the classic old livery, because every time she flies to Anchorage or to Europe, I get angry and upset and disappointed because it takes 2 to 3 days to come back. Because I really urge her not to get repainted when you livery in Xiamen or Beijing or even in Hong Kong. So she got repainted in Hong Kong actually alongside B-LJK. So for the details of Bravo B-LJK Kilo, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.